Let's look at our set B. It has a lot of members inside the curly brackets. Our job is to find one simple rule that tells us what all these letters have in common. Let's count how many letters are in this set. We have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. That's 13 letters. Now, let's think about the English alphabet. It starts with A, then B, then C, and keeps going all the way to Z. There are 26 letters in total. Look, our set starts at the very first letter, A, and goes in order all the way to M. It doesn't skip any letter. These are the first 13 letters of the alphabet, one after another. Let's make sure, going from A to M, every single letter is there in the right order. Nothing is missing. So these are exactly the first 13 letters of the English alphabet. Now we can write our answer in descriptive form. Instead of listing every letter, we just use words to describe them. We say B is the set of the first 13 letters of the English alphabet. You could also say it this way. B is the set of letters from A to M in the English alphabet. Both ways are correct. Pick whichever one feels easier. Great job. Our answer is B is the set of the first 13 letters of the English alphabet. We looked at all the letters, found the pattern, and described it in simple words. You did it.